Uncle, you drink?
Oh yeah, drink now.
Drink, go Bibiane Mao. Drink. Which kind of bottle water? Really?
They add their own pipe.
Yeah, your uncle is drinking. He's drinking. He's drinking. He's drinking. He's gonna drink. He's gonna drink. Yay! He's drunk. No, he spit it out. He spit it out. No, spit it out. He's drinking. He's drinking. Oh my God, you just drank. You drank.
There's fish inside.
Is it cold? Is it refreshing?
I have no idea.
I'm going to go back now.
Favor, bring water. I never give my parents my drink. Oh.
This is
You did not look inside.
No, you can't drink it anymore.
Yeah. He looked inside.
But everything that is there, I can't kill you.
Okay, it looks like I saw this.
It look as if somebody drink and spit back.
Hype.
Hi.
As many of you for you.
He said, "Oh my young one."
I'm bringing food for you.
We are going back at us.
Iyioba. This is the second river we have gone to today.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Don't do that. No.
Oh wow. Yeah, no wama. Oh wow.
Our father's good river. Our father's good river.
Yeah.
Where your stick?
I want you to respond to what I'm gonna say now. Have the reading.
Okay.
Can you get in here and wash your those mouths off your hands?
Yes, I'm
Everyone
videoing.
will respond Maya Deya. I'm Iyioba.
Maya deya. 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 Ayo. Wow. Kita nyarapa. Amogu manonya. No only that one prove up my leg. No only that one my leg for this village. Amogu manonya.
That's the play.
Wow! You have leave your staff inside the river. Moses. This place is smelling somehow. And then the people that came to consult their awako.
I see equal. I say apart from. Okay, she's living in the village. This way.
Hey!
Don't worry.
You're living in the village, a village girl.
She's Ajibo in the village. Apart from Rose, Onyekachi, and
Emma had the favor.
Emma is happy to be counted, even though he's unsure.
I don't even know it.
Who can tell me what it is?
I'm carrying bag and see awake. I'm guessing.
Who asked you?
Is that what I mean?
Who can tell me what this is?
I
Who can tell me what this is? Apart from those names I've mentioned.
Something that is dry, that is char black.
You didn't video this.
I'm videoing.
What is this?
Can we go? Can we go? Oko.
In Ohafia,
Abachi.
if we hold on.
Okay.
In Ohafia, because this is a typical Ohafia tree. You know how we have some things that are Australia, pure Australia. In Ohafia, if we want to know if you are an Ohafia, we ask if you eat this. And it's only because you're an Ohafia you can know what that question says. This is abachi.
Walnut.
It's abachi.
In English. Go up there. I've never seen it before.
We invented this. Don't ask me English. If it doesn't have English,
Go up now. You do not.
this is abachi. In Ohafia, or somebody see you anywhere in the world, they will ask you irachi.
No.
Achi is commonly for the bend, the people of bend, they come in this way. But if you're typical Akanu, if you're from that area, you say yes. But if you're typical Akanu, you say not only Achi, Aramabachi.
Abachi.
This is the abachi. Alright?
Abachi.
Come on,
Let's go.
We mute. Oh, God, see bush, see forest. We mute.